If you're based in Exmouth and you're looking for roller shutters for your home, your garage, your business, or your school, HVP Security Shutters has been covering this area for over 30 years. I'm David from HVP. Our base is in Exeter, and we work across Exmouth, Budlake, Salterton, Dawlish, and the surrounding area regularly. In this video, I want to show you what we do locally and why so many Exmouth properties trust us with their shutters. Exmouth is a busy place in summer. High footfall, active retail, seasonal trade that puts real pressure on shopfront security. In quieter months, good security matters just as much. We install shutters on shops, offices, schools, public buildings, and homes right across the town. Whether you need a shopfront roller shutter to protect your business overnight, a secure canteen hatch for a school or college, or a garage door for your home, we carry the full range and handle everything from site survey to installation. A recent local example is Barton College, just outside Exmouth at East Budlake. We were asked to find a cost-effective solution for their refurbished bar area and food servery. For the bar, where an open, welcoming feel was important, we specified our CL70 open link shutter in dark brown PVC, which sits neatly with the interior finish. For the food servery, we went with our K25 solid aluminium shutter, reliable, easy to clean, and built for daily use. 2 different requirements, 2 tailored solutions, 1 site visit. For homeowners, a garage roller door is one of the best investments you can make, improving security, adding to the appearance of your property, and keeping the weather out year-round. And once your shutter is installed, we're here for the long term. We carry out routine maintenance and emergency repairs across Exmouth and the surrounding area, keeping your investment in good working order for years to come. Call your local Exmouth team on 01395219440 or visit hvpshutters.co.uk for more information and to request a free quote.